In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to start a new job when someone sends you registered scans. So up in the upper left-hand corner, you notice there's 4 icons. This one has a little pop-out that says Create a New Project. So we click on that, and we decide where we're going to keep it. And I want to put it on my C drive, and I want to name it just directly 100_test, and that's just fine. And what are we going to call it? We'll call it new_project, and create it. And then it's going to open up a workspace for us, but it won't have any scans. So we migrate to the place where we saved the files. They need to be FLS extensions like these, and we picked those and just simply drag them over to the job site. Then we can close out that window, and we have our 4 scans in the workspace. Now these little clouds that don't have any color to them indicate that the scans are not loaded. So in order to load these scans and look at the actual scans, we need to right-click Scans and Load All Scans. Now you see the little window becoming green next to the cloud, and that occurs on all of the scans until they're fully loaded. So that just takes a minute or so. So now they are all loaded. So we can then right click again. Right click should be your friend. So to view, we have several different views that we can look at, and the 3D view is what we want to look at first to make sure that the scans really are registered. So let's look at that. And if we take a radius point and click on that any place in the scene, then we can click on the item and just simply drag it around. So here's our street, and in this particular case someone has clipped off all the data outside of the area of interest and above a certain point. So you see it's very narrow in height. There are some icons up here that will do quick views. So this one is a top view, and then we have a side view, and an in view, and an isometric, and an isometric. But you can move those any place you want, since we have a radius point set, and any place you change that radius point becomes the new swivel point for that project, like that. Okay, so that's how to get a project started, and that's really all there is to it.